I'm the digger, and I'll like get the plants ready, and he'll put the plants in and tell me where the plants should go. It's been really fun, actually. Just planting flowers.
We're reflecting back to 1998 when Let's Beautify Cumberland got involved with the County United Way, and Harry King was the director of the County United Way at that time. Kathy Getty with one of the banks was involved, Dr. Mark, who was a local surgeon, and the Let's Beautify Cumberland crew, and put this program together. Who would have thought back in 1998 that here in 2024 we're still going strong?
Today is a day that I think really shines in the city of Cumberland. Maybe the sun isn't shining, but the day shines for our community on a day like today when we have so many people who are taking their time and volunteering to help beautify our city.
Nice round of applause, please, for Michelle Walker.
This is the 27th year for the County United Way Day of Caring and Sharing in partnership with Let's Beautify Cumberland. This is an extremely important event in the community. We have 52 projects and 519 volunteers, I believe, this year, spanned all over the city, doing beautification projects, cleanup projects, projects at nonprofits such as painting. Some of these projects wouldn't get done without this event.
I am Cadet Chief Master Sergeant Brandon McCullough. I'm a part of the Civil Air Patrol. We're an auxiliary of the Air Force, and we're here today helping plant flowers. We're planting some Presto, Solar Power, and Fantasia.
All of these volunteers, after Day of Caring and Sharing, when they come to Cumberland, they can look at a flower pot or a planter and they can say, I planted that. And I've done that before. I know how they feel, following how pretty it looks, and you have pride in what you've done.
It's nice to have your own yard and beautify your own property, but living in downtown, I don't have a yard. So we're surrounded by asphalt. So this gives us an opportunity to basically beautify the entire community and kind of give back to where we live and improve what people come to see in downtown Cumberland, not just the residents, but the visitors and tourism traffic that comes through, and to see a really beautified project here in the community.
And I've been replacing flags today. We went down to Wills Creek and took down all the ripped flags and put up new ones. They're pretty meaningful to me. My dad was in the Air Force. My uncle's all in the Navy. My grandfather's in the Navy. It represents what they fought for, and just what a great country we have.
I've got to get to some sponsors and thank them, because without this day, it truly would not happen. Columbia Gas is our premier sponsor. Thank you, Columbia Gas. CSX, Let's Beautify Cumberland. We definitely would not be able to do this without you. Rocky Gap Resort and Casino, breakfast sponsors, and then First People's Credit Union, Chessie Credit Union, Denny Delaney State Farm, Allegheny County HRDC, LaVale Veterinarian Hospital, Chessie Federal Credit Union, and of course the City of Cumberland, EOS Subway of LaVale, Faith, Hope and Images, Mike Kearns, Pepsi Cola, Cafe Mark, EB Land, and UPMC. All contributed financially or in-kind gifts to make this work, so I thank each and every one of you.